Okay, I've got my new light and old one. We're going to disconnect it. Well, my electrician is going to disconnect it. So I tried to take those off. I couldn't. Is it you squeeze them the opposite of how they're tight? Is that what you do to loosen them up?
No, you got to use completely new ones.
Got it.
So like this is a little crimper. See a little crimper
Oh,
right
yeah,
there?
okay.
Then that drops in there like that.
Oh, okay.
Then we push this all the way in and give it a squeeze. Boom, there's one.
Okay.
And I brought an old one.
That's fine.
So let me get another one.
Okay, now I put it back up and just need to screw these in. It would help if I had a Phillips. I just don't want to dig around and find it. All done. You can see where I tried to take that cover off and kind of hit that. This stuff is so like, what do you call it? Like flimsy. But look, whoa, we got light. Yes, now I just got to put the cover on. It's hard to film with one hand, but there's that little lip. You gotta match it up right there and then just click it. That's it. It's done. It's finished. See? Awesome.